So,
Grandma, you're not supposed to stop.
what?
You're not supposed to stop.
Oh, okay. Yes, you're a good boy.
Oh, sorry.
Look at Suzanne.
That's why I trust you only.
No one can connect you with high quality harmony. That's why every 14 minutes someone
You spend the rest of the day wondering.
Not me.
Look at Mika, what she's gonna do if I stop petting her. What?
What?